What's up YouTube, welcome to a brand new video and tutorial. My name is Eric and today we are talking about this amazing Memoji effect and how you can apply this to your videos. Let's head right into that. So all you need is an iPhone and Final Cut Pro. Take out your iPhone and make sure your iPhone is not in dark mode because light mode will let us key our Memoji later in post way easier. To change this, simply go to the settings, type in dark, go to appearance and set it from dark to light. Now go to iMessage and start a new message by clicking on the icon on the top right. Click on the Memoji button and tap the three dots, so this will bring your Memoji in a way bigger scale. If you don't have a Memoji set up yet, click on edit and create your own Memoji. Now record your screen by swiping from the top right and press the record button. Record whatever you want to record, save that to your pictures and bring it on your MacBook via AirDrop. Import the clip into your timeline and crop the bottom and the top so you can't see the borders anymore. Now search for keyer and drag it on top of your clip. Click on sample color and sample the white and adjust the fill holes and the strength of your keyer till we see the white of our eyes again. Now we can start track the face. First I'm going to show you how to track your face with Pixel Films Auto Tracker. If you don't have an auto tracker, I will show you how to do this later on. So drag the Pixel Film Studios Auto Tracker drop zone onto your video and click on the track button. Select the face and track forward with 100%. When this is finished, export the data. Now select on-screen control mode and click on Dropbox. Select your Memoji clip. Simply adjust the scale of the Dropbox and the size of your Memoji to fit on the face. Now if you don't have a tracker, you have to do it by keyframes and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first things first, we hit the keyframe button on position, rotation and scale. Now we move forward frame by frame and adjust the Memoji on the face. Now as I said before, my name is Eric, I do Final Cut 10 Pro tutorials and have a lot of free plugins, so check out all my other videos. If you haven't already, smash that sub button down there right now and follow me on Instagram, lifted_Eric. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.